Welcome back to the channel, folks. Black Friday 2024 is upon us, and Amazon has dropped some of the hottest tech deals of the year. From budget-friendly gadgets to premium tech, there's something for everyone this Black Friday, and trust me, you won't want to miss these discounts. Stick around until the end because I'm saving the biggest deal for last. Let's jump right in. Apple AirPods, second generation. First up, Apple fans. If you've been eyeing a pair of AirPods, you'll want to grab the second generation for just $89.99. That's a huge discount from $159, and it's the lowest price ever. For seamless Apple integration without the noise cancellation, this is one of the best deals of the season. Apple Watch Series 9. This one's for the smartwatch lovers. Apple Watch Series 9 is down to $329, marked down from $399.99. The new double tap feature, advanced health monitoring, and all-day battery life make it an unbeatable value at this price. Amazon Echo Show 8. Amazon's Echo Show 8 is another massive deal this year. Normally priced at $129.99, it's now just $54.99. With an 8-inch display, Alexa voice control, and the ability to stream music or movies, it's perfect for any smart home setup. Plus, you can make video calls, which is great for staying connected. iRobot Roomba 694. Let's talk about cleaning. The iRobot Roomba 694 is on sale for $159, down from $364.99. This robot vacuum is perfect for pet owners, featuring powerful suction and filters that capture dust, pollen, and pet hair, all at the lowest price we've seen yet. Hisense 65-inch U6K 4K TV. Looking to upgrade your TV? The Hisense 65-inch U6K Mini LED 4K TV is just $498, down from $799.99. With incredible picture quality and Mini LED technology, you'll get amazing contrast and vibrant colors at an unbeatable price. If you've been thinking about upgrading to 4K, this is your chance. Apple iPad 10th Gen. If you're in the market for an iPad, Amazon has the 10th Gen iPad Wi-Fi 64 gigabytes for $379, down from $429. With its 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display and the A14 Bionic chip, this tablet is perfect for work, school, or play. GoPro Hero 12 Black. For action camera fans, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is down to $349.99 from $399.99. This action-packed camera gives you 5.3K video, is waterproof, and has amazing stabilization to capture your next adventure. Nintendo Switch OLED. Gamers, listen up! The Nintendo Switch OLED is available for $319.99, down from $349.99. It's got a stunning OLED display for a vibrant gaming experience, and it's perfect for both handheld and docked play. Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. The Sony WH-1000XM5 noise-canceling headphones are marked down to $348, down from $499. These are some of the best headphones in the game for noise cancellation, sound quality, and comfort. Xbox Series S. Gamers, the Xbox Series S is now just $239.99, a steal from its original price of $299.99. With fast load times and smooth gameplay, it's an awesome deal for those who want next-gen gaming on a budget. Asus ZenBook 14 Laptop. Need a powerful yet portable laptop? The Asus ZenBook 14 is on sale for $699, down from $849. With an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte SSD, it's perfect for work, study, or creative projects. Anker PowerCore 26800 power bank. For the ultimate portable charger, the Anker PowerCore 26800 is now just $49.99, usually $69.99. With 26,800 milliamp hours of power, it can charge your devices multiple times and still have juice left over. Sonos One Smart Speaker. Upgrade your audio game with the Sonos One Smart Speaker, now down to $179 from $219. This speaker delivers exceptional sound, and with Alexa and Google Assistant built in, it's the perfect smart speaker for any home. Google Pixel 8. If you've been waiting for a great deal on the Google Pixel 8, now's your chance. It's down to $499.99 from $699. This phone offers an exceptional camera, Google's Tensor G3 chip, and a smooth display. Bose Quiet Comfort 45. Noise-canceling headphones. Bose is known for its premium sound, and the Quiet Comfort 45 headphones are down to $249 from $329. These are some of the best headphones for comfort and noise cancellation, making them a top choice for travelers and audio lovers. Camcori Digital Camera. Can you believe that the digital cameras of the early aughts are making a comeback? This one will make a great nostalgic gift that's under $40. Vertex Pro Cordless Stick. Attention cleaning enthusiasts, now's your chance to snag a Shark cordless vacuum for 40% off. This powerhouse is designed to tackle allergens, pet hair, and debris with ease thanks to its super strong suction. Whether you're tidying up your floors or refreshing your furniture, Shark's reputation for quality makes this deal a no-brainer. Don't miss out. This kind of discount doesn't come around every day. Fitbit Versa 4. Looking for a solid, budget-friendly smartwatch? The Fitbit Versa checks all the boxes. With its sleek, rounded design and features like built-in GPS and mindfulness tools, it's got everything you need for health and fitness. Plus, it boasts an impressive 6-day battery life. Perfect for those on the go. And here's the kicker. 6 months of Fitbit Premium is included, giving you even deeper insights and personalized tips. At this price, it's a hard deal to pass up. A perfect wearable for anyone looking to step up their fitness game. Anker 6-in-1 USB-C hub. Got a lot of devices. This 6-in-1 Anker USB-C hub is the ultimate accessory for your laptop or phone. It lets you transfer files, connect external monitors, and even charge your devices with pass-through charging, all in one compact hub. Here's the best part. It's currently 50% off on Amazon with an on-page coupon. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or just need to streamline your setup, this is a deal you don't want to miss. Steady V3. Capture flawless cinematic footage effortlessly with the Hohem Steady V3 Gimbal Stabilizer for iPhone. The ultimate tool for creators on the move. Designed to elevate your mobile content, this innovative gimbal combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to ensure every shot is a masterpiece. With magnetic AI tracking, enjoy seamless face and body tracking without needing an app, paired with intuitive gesture controls for hands-free operation. Its iSteady 8.0 anti-shake system and extended roll arm deliver ultra-smooth stabilization, ensuring dynamic, professional quality footage. The detachable remote controller adds convenience, letting you frame shots effortlessly from a distance, while the 8-inch extendable rod and integrated tripod unlock endless creative angles. Light up any scene with a magnetic fill light, offering customizable cold, warm, and natural light settings for perfect illumination. Powered by a 13-hour battery, this gimbal supports long events and travel days, and its portable, foldable design makes it lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, the Hohem iSteady V3 ensures every moment is captured with cinematic perfection. Miko 3. Meet Miko 3, an AI-powered educational robot that combines fun, learning, and creativity to inspire young minds. Designed to boost STEAM engagement by 55%, Miko adapts daily to your child's unique interests, making learning feel personal and exciting. It's more than just smart, it's entertaining too. Miko cracks jokes, leads yoga sessions, and even throws impromptu dance parties to bring joy to your child's day. Equipped with a wide-angle HD camera and advanced sensors, Miko encourages physical activity with AI-enhanced games like Freeze Dance and Hide and Seek. Plus, it offers dynamic content from top-tier brands like Disney, Paramount, and Kadoodle.tv, while the Miko Max subscription unlocks even more premium learning experiences. With Miko 3, your child gets a companion that fosters curiosity, movement, and endless laughter. Ready to open a world of discovery?